One of my concerns when I purchased or considered purchasing the KAGE was, will I be able to use the hose reel for spot spraying alone? Oftentimes I'm working on projects here at the farm without any help, and the team at KAGE Innovations guided me through how that would be done, and with my Bobcat T76 I can power it up, activate the auxiliary, activate the KAGE, and then be outside the machine on my own while the auxiliary and the hydraulics are operating, and I don't need another person to do that. So here's how we would do that. Let's say I've fired up the Bobcat, and we all know that as soon as you pick up the safety bar on your machine, everything shuts down except the power. The hydraulics shut down, everything else shuts down. So I get in the machine, I start it up, I get out, I pull the safety bar down again, and then I activate the auxiliary and the hydraulics. And my machine has the ability that once you activate the hydraulics, they can either be handheld activated with your thumb on the toggle switch, or there's a trigger you can pull as you're toggling the activation switch for the hydraulics that will keep the hydraulics going. And so I'll show you how that's done right now. So now I'll activate the hydraulics. The nozzle changes from a straight spray to a very broad spray. I've got about 60 psi in it right now. I could jack it up higher if I wanted the spray to go farther. And that's basically how it's done.